I think I told y'all last time, but I took a year-long diabetes class. Did I tell y'all that? And I told the lady immediately one of my biggest struggles was just breakfast. Because when I think of breakfast, I'm sorry, I'll grow a bit of comfort. I think of biscuits, I think of syrup, I think of butter sugar nuts. I think of a waffle, you know what I'm saying? I think about pancakes. I think about the things that I cannot have in the morning, right? And so that was the first thing. She was like, well, why are you thinking about that? Think about what you want to eat. And she's like, don't think about what you can't have. And I was like, that's so true. I was like, all I have to do is just eat something I like. It doesn't have to be a breakfast item. So that really turning things around for me. Because one thing I know about myself, if I start something bad first thing in the day, I'm just like, I'll forget all day. I'm just going to get what I'm going to eat. We got to start out fresh and good first thing in the day. All right, so like I said, breakfast, don't think of it as breakfast as pancakes, waffles, eggs, bacon, all that. Don't even think about it that way. You are breaking your fast. Breakfast. You're breaking your fast. You've been asleep. You haven't ate for 5 or 6 hours, probably longer for some of y'all. Sometimes it's 2 or 3 hours for me. It just depends on what I got to do. But when you break that fast, you really want to start with something good. You don't want to start with anything bad. So think about that when you're eating.